Good morning, dear student. Today I am going to explain you about India agricultural productivity. By the term agricultural productivity, we mean the varying relationship between the agricultural output and one of the major input such as land. The most commonly used term for representing agricultural productivity is the average yield per hectare of land. After the introduction of modern agriculture techniques, along with the adaptation of hybrid seeds, extension of irrigation facilities, and application of intensive method of cultivation in India, yield per hectare of all crops has recorded a steep rising trend. The following table it shows the trend in yield per hectare of principal crops in India since independence. The above table reveals that in India, the average yield per hectare for all food grains has recorded an increase from 5.5 quintals in 1949 and 50 to 7.6 quintals in 1964-65 and then to 18.98 quintals in 2008-9, showing an annual growth rate of 1.4% during 1950-65 and 2.4% during 1965 to 2007. Moreover, the average yield per hectare in respect of rice and wheat, which were 7.1 quintals and 6.6 quintals respectively in 1914 and 50, gradually increased to 10.8 quintals and 9.1 quintals in 1964-65, showing an annual growth rate of 2.1% and 1.3% in respect of rice and wheat respectively. Again, during the post-grain revolution, the average yield per hectare in respect of rice and wheat has again increased to 21.86 quintals and 28.91 quintals respectively, showing a considerable annual growth rate of 3.4% in respect of wheat and 2.3% in respect of rice. But the annual growth rate of coarse cereals increased by only 1.3% and that of pulses of only 0.5% during the period 1967 to 2009. Moreover, the annual growth rate of yield per hectare of all crops went up to 2.49% during the period 1980-81 to 1993-94 as compared to that of 1.28% during 1967-68 to 1980-81. Among the non-food grains, cotton and sugarcane achieved a modest growth rate of 2% and 1% respectively during 1950 to 65 and again to the extent of 2.4% and 1.2% respectively during 1967 to 2009. Moreover, potato has recorded a considerable increase in annual growth rate from 1.6% during 1950 to 65 to 3% during 1967 to 2009. Again, taking all crops together, the annual average growth rate of all crops rose from 1.3% during 1950 to 65 to 1.9% during 1967 to 2009. Thus, The above data reveal that the Green Revolution and the application of new biochemical technology have become very much effective only in case of wheat and potato, but proved ineffective in case of other crops. Moreover, if we compare the average yield per hectare of various crops in India with foreign countries, then we find that India lags far behind the other developed countries of the world. In 1990-91, the annual average yield of rice per hectare was only 17.5 quintals in India as against 41 quintals in USA, 61.9 quintals in Japan, and 54 quintals in China. Again, the annual average yield of wheat per hectare was only 22.7 quintals in India as against 68 quintals in Germany, 61 quintals in France, and 30 quintals in China. This is all for today, dear students. Take care and bye.